So today I'm just going to be making this slime that my dad gave me when I visited him. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to do the magical. It's supposed to say magical potion, but it looks like magical rotten. Magical potion. So first. Okay, so first there is these two little white bags in here. I just need to try and open this and pour it into here. Okay. Mom, can you help me open this?
Yeah.
Okay. It is really impossible to open that. He doesn't want to be in the video today. So. I've got it open. Now I will pour the whole thing in. Please don't spill, please don't spill. I'm hoping for it not to spill because I really don't want it to spill. But what is this? This looks so weird. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. Now I'm going to do this slightly darker one and pour that in as well. Okay, now I don't know if you can see, but there is a line there, and I need to fill with water up to the line. This water jug is very heavy, so you better be ready for this. I'm not very good at pouring water. Oh no. Okay. It's turning pink. It's turning pink. It's turned pink. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where it. Please don't fall. Can you see? It's turned pink. Okay. Now I need to put the lid on. Make sure it's on very tight, otherwise it will be a disaster. And shake. And then you leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'll do those. And I'll put a timer on for 5 minutes. And then you check if it's all right with a spoon. You check
it. Do the timer.
Not now. You check if it's all right with a spoon after like 3 minutes or so. Is the Alexa on, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Alexa, be quiet.
She said, okay, do I need to mix? I've already, no mixes, okay, no mixes. Now, okay, I'm back. So I did, these ones off camera, and you're just going to shake them a little bit more, because you can see on these ones the white is all stuck at the bottom, and you can see this one turned blue, and both of these are pink, so that's why I'm curious. So I'm going to check this with a. This one's to come open. Okay. Okay, I've got this open. This is slime. There's lumps in it, but should be fine. And now I don't know if these are sprinkles or anything. I bought tea towels because when I was making those ones there was a big spillage, so that's why I brought 2 tea towels. So just in case it happens again, I'm just going to right, enjoy my hands to see if I can open it now. Maybe with the scissors I can. I don't know what this is, but yay, I guess. Okay. These are hearts. Yay, I got hot jobs. So these are sprinkles, indeed, I was right. Okay, there's a lot coming out. I need to dip all of these up. This is slime, a pot from the lumps of white in it, and a little bit sticky. This is fine. This is really fine. Like, I mean, this is really, really good. I just love playing it.